Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a ring or border around your Instagram profile photo using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Canva application on my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to create new design. I'm going to select the Instagram post ratio for my design, and after that, we're going to add circle frame to this design. You're going to go to the elements, but wait, it's still loading. Okay, go to the elements right here, and then you're going to search for circle frame. Okay, you can select this one guys. All right, and I'm going to make it bigger. Wait. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to add a photo to the circle frame. We're going to go to the upload. The upload is right here, and you can upload your photo. I'm just going to select this one, and I'm going to adjust it. And we're going to go to the elements again and search for circle. Okay. And you can choose this one. Then adjust the position to make it around your profile photo. Wait, okay. Now it's done, and you can change the color if you want. You just need to go to the color right here and choose the color that you like. Okay, now it's done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create a ring or border around your Instagram profile photo using Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.